Who knew that a single bowl of this go-to-easy breakfast may help lower your cholesterol, encourage weight loss, and keep your gut healthy? A comforting bowl of oatmeal is as nutritious as it is delicious. Here's why you should make it your daily breakfast. 1. Oats can lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and help you go. Oats contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber forms a viscous gel that helps to lower cholesterol and stabilize blood glucose levels. The insoluble fiber in oats helps provide a moving experience by curtailing constipation and improving intestinal health. 2. Oats may protect your heart and your colon. A variety of antioxidants known as Avenanthramides are found exclusively in oats. Avenanthramides have been shown to exhibit anti-inflammatory and anti-itching activity, and may provide additional protection against coronary heart disease, colon cancer, and skin irritation. They also may play a role in controlling blood pressure. 3. Oats make an easy, balanced breakfast. 1 cup of cooked oatmeal contains about 150 calories, 4 grams of fiber, about half soluble and half insoluble, and 6 grams of protein. To boost protein further, my favorite way to eat oatmeal is with a swirl of almond butter nestled within. This powerful combo will keep you away from that mid-morning visit to the vending machine. 4. Oats provide important vitamins and minerals. Nutrient-rich oatmeal contains thiamine, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, manganese, selenium, and iron. 5. Oats are gluten-free. Oats are naturally gluten-free, but check with manufacturers to ensure that their products are not made using the same equipment as other potentially contaminating grains. Always purchase gluten-free products from reputable companies and read food labels carefully. 6. Oats may help you control your weight. Oats can keep you feeling fuller longer, thereby helping you control your weight. Sadly, carbs are often shunned and feared by those looking to drop a few pounds, but whole grains can squash hunger and simultaneously provide that pleasant feeling carb lovers crave. As with any other food, be mindful of portion sizes. 7. Oats can be savory, too. Although oats are usually paired with sweet foods like brown sugar and cinnamon or fruit, oats also make a perfect savory side dish. Oats provide a texture similar to buckwheat, and their bland taste is like a blank canvas for a variety of seasonings and spices. You can combine oatmeal with your favorite veggies or last night's leftovers, and top with an egg or a sprinkle of cheese to enjoy breakfast for dinner. 8. Enhances immune response to disease. Oatmeal has been heavily studied in relation to the immune system's response to disease and infection. Essentially, because of oatmeal's unique fiber called beta-glucan, it helps neutrophils travel to the site of an infection more quickly and enhances their ability to eliminate the bacteria they find there. 9. Helps you sleep. Our society has ingrained in us that oatmeal is a breakfast food, although it is also a wise choice before bedtime. In fact, the Scottish recommend a bowl of oatmeal in the evening to get you feeling nice and sleepy. 10. Promotes antioxidant activity. Oatmeal is loaded with antioxidants called Avenanthramides, which are unique to oats. Antioxidants are important because they protect your cells from free radicals, which are molecules you produce through metabolism and exposure to environmental toxins. Free radicals increase your risk for cancer and heart disease because they are unstable. Avenanthramides antioxidants inhibit inflammation and boost your production of nitric oxide, which prevents hardening of your arteries. In fact, a study published in 2010 in Nutrition and Cancer showed the Avenanthramides in oats decreased the spread of colon cancer cells. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.